Are you planning to start your career as a music artist or an audio engineer? Well, you're going to need some essential studio gear to get started. Today, we've compiled a list of must-have professional recording equipment for music artists and engineers. While top music producers may have a wide array of advanced gear, as a beginner, it's important to start with the essentials. First up, we have the audio interface. This piece of equipment is crucial for capturing vocal and instrument sounds during recording. It transforms these sounds into digital data for your digital audio workstation. One excellent option is the Focusrite 2i2. It offers low noise, depth, and a moderate price, making it a perfect choice for music artists, songwriters, guitarists, and podcasters. Captures sound without any learning curve. Next on the list is the recording microphone. A good microphone converts sound waves into electrical signals for recording. The Blue Biggie bottle is a fantastic choice, especially for overheads, acoustic instruments, and amp cabinets. Its transparent and wide-diaphragm design delivers natural high-end for wind and string instruments and excellent transient response for drums. Studio monitors are vital for audio engineering and music production. They provide accurate sound reproduction, allowing producers and engineers to hear music as intended. The Yamaha HS5 is a great option that replicates the flat response of the legendary NS10 studio monitors. It provides clarity without breaking the bank. To optimize the sound from your monitors, you'll need monitor pads. These pads absorb vibrations from the monitors, reducing bass reflections. The Auralex Mo-Pad Isolation Pad is an affordable solution that offers a range of listening angles and can support nearly any size monitor. High-quality audio cables are often overlooked but play a significant role in recording clarity. Cables Madami Gold Instruments 06R is a trusted brand that ensures clear tones when recording. We recommend having 2 XLR cables and 2 instrument cables, one short and one long, for flexibility in different recording situations. While studio monitors are essential, headphones provide a different listening experience. They localize the sound directly to your ears, perfect for identifying pitch problems and other issues. The Sony MDR7506 headphones are widely used in recording studios, reasonably priced, and offer a wide dynamic range and high sound levels for optimal mixing and mastering. Lastly, a reliable mic stand is a must-have for any recording setup. The Onstage Tripod Stand MS7700B mic stand offers exceptional stability with its tripod design. It can be adjusted to different heights and supports mic clips and booms. When not in use, the stands can be folded flat for easy storage. And there you have it, a list of professional recording equipment that will help you create high-quality music. Whether you're an aspiring music artist or a seasoned one, these gears are essential to have in your arsenal. If you're looking for a professional recording studio in Los Angeles, look no further than Mix Recording Studio. We provide aspiring and seasoned music artists with the latest and most advanced professional recording equipment for all your audio recording, mixing, and mastering needs. Get ready to take your music to the next level with the right studio gear. Contact Mix Recording Studio today.